No walks, Dave. Drive the ball.
Come on, if you make me play here. Good contact, David.
Good eye. Got a free one. What's that?
Is he afraid of him?
That's what I'm wondering.
Is he afraid of him? He's not.
Go, Dave.
You can tag on a foul, Tommy.
Focus on the ball, Dave. Just protect the plate, man. Ground ball gets him home.
Hey, dudes, give me a couple in here now, babe. Couple in. Back, Eric.
Good cut, Dave. Good cut. There's some fun, guys. Dave, smile when you hit this ball, buddy.
On our toes in field, on our toes.
Way to protect the plate, Dave. Beautiful job. Go hard. Look out.
I didn't know what was going on. Throw it in. Throw it through. Throw it. Come on, Dave. Just give me
Pete, you're awful quiet over there.
Come on, David.
Come on, David.
That's it, Dave.
Need another ball. The other one.
You got it?
Here we go, infielder.
Okay, David, focus on the ball now. Drill it. Good hit, Dave. Good hit.
That's in the gap.
Go, Tommy.
That's in the gap. That's way in the gap.
Oh.
All right, already gonna bar his finger. Hey,
Good job, Tommy.
those two old balls.
Way to go, bud. Hit now.
Yeah, relax. Swing it, loosen up. On our toes, take a step to the plate here, babe.
If you go up there with one out, you're bumping on the first pitch.
Play it two here, Johnny.
Good hit, Kev.
Go, David. Go, Kevin, go. Kevin. Get there. Stay. Hey, Jake, back to you. Make him commit before you go to one. Hey, Johnny, ball to you when he comes home. Come on, Kevin. All right?
They're not afraid to throw back to you, Kev.
Get a lead, Kevin. Get a lead. Get back, Kevin. Get back. Strike. Hold him on a third, Jake. Come on, Jake.
Pull back on a ball. Good eye. Good, 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 good. Go, go, go. Oh.
Yeah. Go. That might be your best at-bat of the season.
I don't want it.
Good hit, Brian. I can do that between innings. 2 outs. 2 outs, Jake.
Play one infield.
Drill it, Brian. Good eye. Oh. Anything close, hit it.
Brian, I'll be all right here.
Punch one through that infield.
Hit means 2.
Tommy's not coming.
Light him up, Tommy. Come on. Come on, Dan. Get him. Shit. Second. Tracy.
785.
Okay,
That don't help me any.
it does. Left center field. Left.
Where are you guys throwing the ball to?
Charge and throw him out at sec first.
Michael, you get anything you can.
And then some. Good pitch. 3 Ks for this guy.
Nothing.
Back at the play out.
No, Brian, no.
Good eye, good up in the air.
Call target Tom go like this and go.
Right? He's smart. Hey, think now,
To the bunt.
158.
5 and 8. Shortstop or third base and center field.
He's just going to strike everybody out now.
Good pitch, Tommy.
DP, come hit the ball. One out, DP.
All right, work him, Tommy. Work him hard.
Hit the bit, Tommy. Hit the bit.
Good pitch, Tommy. That was the last guy, I thought. Same
This is
guy?
top of the order. Bring it in hard.
Good pitch, Tommy.
Catch it, catch it, catch it!
Good job, Tommy. Come on in, guys. Let's get some runs. Come on, Dan. Attack that ball.
On our toes in field!
Good hit, Dan. Go, go, go.
Come on here, John. Be ready for it.
Anyone want to use batting gloves?
Good hit, Joe. Go. Good swings from everybody.
Be ready to hit.
Good eye, Johnny.
I was able to reach it.
Okay, then you need to move closer to the plate because that was a strike.
Top of the plate.
No, you weren't. You were right about where Johnny is. That's all I'm saying is you need to be able to reach that outside pitch. Come on, Johnny. Go, go, go. Hustle. Good job, Johnny.
Mike.
Nice hit, Johnny. Come on, Mike. Drive him home.
Hey, Johnny, first or second? First or second? Back! On our toes in field!
Whenever first time I meet Kevin at
Good.
Come on, Jacob. Send it out there.
Mike?
It's McDonald's, Michael Smith.
Stay with him, Jake. Come on. Go. Strike 2.
Step into this one and drive it deep.
Play 1 in field.
Keep swinging, Mike. Keep swinging.
Come on, Michael.
Strike 3.
Mike Weddick gets ahead in the game.
No, he's not. Big hitter, Mike.
Strike 2.
Throw it hard, Tom. It's stinky eater time. That's all yours. Come on, Jake, get it. Wow.
Strike 1.
Taking that first.
Strike 2. Foul.
He made something.
So you have to put Junior Kelly into Peter Coach.
Good job, Joe.
Strike 1.
Go, Tommy.
Foul ball. Strike 2. Let's go, pitch.
Come on, Tommy, let's get him. All yours, Joe. No harm, guys.
Court right there.
Strike 1.
Okay.
Katie left time.
Mr. Kelly. You got broken arm.
Guys, you guys need to move.
Let's hear it in here, guys. Come on. Let's go, Tommy.
Joe. Strike 2.
Oh. Absolutely got him. No throw.
Dog him, Joe. Don't hold him on.
Strike 4.
That's a pretty pitch, Tommy. Good job, guys. Good job.
The only run down.
Okay, come on, guys. He's throwing all strikes. Don't be good. If you're
Hi.
not looking to pitch, it's a strike. You gotta be swinging.
We are? Oh, man.
Come on, guys.
Okay.
Let's go.
Bye.
Let's hear some talking here this minute.
Drew, not that much.
Come on, Jacob.
Playing like your father.
Good eye. Good cut, Jake.
On her toes in field, on her toes.
Good cut, Jake. Good cut.
What the heck is this?
Good cut, Jake.
Johnny! Too high.
Got him, dude. You got him.
Attaboy, dude!
Yeah. His shoulder. Yeah, I got to his shoulder, but...
Make a play in field. Let's go. On her toes.
Come on, Keith. Big hit. Good eye.
He's on the bench. I think I did.
Go hard, Keith.
Foul! Got 2 strikes here, right up. 2 strikes. Come on, Jake. Work hard, bud.
I hear that. I hear that video like that.
Go hard.
Bravo, strike. Strike 3.
Good pitch, Tom. Nice job, buddy.
Strike 1. Foul. Strike 3.
Excellent work, Mr. Wittestatter. Do it again.
2 down.
Come on, David, all yours.
Don't hold him on. You got no wheels, Brian, at all. You got to find it. Get him! Get him!
Tag him! Just gun him.
No, don't. There's no trying to tempt you now.
I want him to see the ball when it's hit to him.
Go on! Step up the next 3. That's what he said. So. David, you gotta keep this ball in front of you no matter what.
Outfield, get the ball home. That's right, Willie. 2 outs, guys.
Dave, don't worry about the runner. Play defense.
Throw the heat, Tom. I think Willie is Atlantic in the strike zone.
Brian, on top of the corner, Brian. Line it up, Kevin. Hit the target, Tommy. Hit the target.
Come on in, hustle in, guys. Hustle in. Come on, David. We need you on base.
Eric, back up.
Come on, Dave.
Get that ball, dude.
Come on, Kevin. Come on, Kevin. Hit it like you did last time.
Bravo. Strike 1. Bravo. Hit now. Through. Charge the ball now.
That was a foul tip. Good eye, Kev. Go hard, through the base.
Space, Jake.
Hey, Drew, what are you doing?
Go, Jake.
Flipping.
Good eye.
Work out here, Jake.
Thank you.
Good eye. That's all right. Good cut, good cut. Good cut, Jake. Come on, Jake. Big hit. Thump this one.
Got her toes in field.
Good eye. Hustle down.
2-out rally.
That's better, guys. Get into this game, man. About time.
2-out rally.
You're up, you're up. Good hustle, Jake.
I told him that I wasn't going to.
Come on, Brian. Drive Jake in. Okay, bye. Big hit, Brian. It's all right.
Hey, one in field. 2 out here now. 2 out.
Drive it, Brian. Drive it hard.
That's it. Get him, Jake.
Come on, Brian. Anything close, buddy. Put the ball in play. There you go. That's it. Good job, guys. Nice hit, Brian. Good job, guys. All right.
Come on, Dan.
Last time, Sean.
Come on, Dad.
Field 1 or 2.
Good quality swings, Dan.
Come on, Dan.
Come on, Dad.
Come on, Dan.
Go, 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 go. Take it down, down.
Hey, when you focus on there.
Come
on, Dan.
Drive him home, Dan. You got a free swing, Dan, and use it.
2 balls, 1 strike.
Big rip on this one, Dan.
Come on, Dad.
Good hit, Dan. Oh! Oh!
Come on, Jake. Give me 1 more strike.
Dan, protect the plate now. 2 strikes. Anything close, give it a ride. Good eye. Anything close, give it a ride, Dan. We don't need a walk right here. We need a hit.
Come on, Dad.
Good cut, Dan. Way to protect the plate.
Get back as fast as you can now.
All right, 2 strikes, Dan. Come on.
Strike here, Jake.
Anything close. Anything close, Dan. Good eye.
Hey, Jake, this last guy. Get him out, baby.
Joey, no pressure, man. No pressure. Tie ball game. All we can do is win here.
Ready, John? Can you
Rocket one, Joe. Come on, Joe. Rocket one.
Come on, hurry. Come on, Joe, hurry.
Come on, Joe.
He's going. Joe, come on.
Come on, Joe. Pick out a good one and hit it hard. We need to hit now.
Hey, Drew, get over here.
Within reason.
Hard, yeah.
There you go, Joe. Good play, Joe. Buddy, that's spectacular stuff. Joe, nice play, bud.
Get the kind hit and get the winning.
Guys, let's hear it, man. We got to be rallying here. 2-out rally, guys. Come on.
Play 1 infield.
Good, Johnny. Yeah! No pressure.
Come on, Mike.
Hey.
Keep it going.
First Johnny, tag third base.
Johnny, get off. He ain't holding you on, man.
Come on, M-Dubs. Excuse me, Mike.
Have fun and smack this one, Michael. Come on.
One ball. Throw me strikes here, Jake.
We need this bad. Pressure.
2-out rally, guys. Let's hear it.
Strike. That's one.
Let's go, Michael. Come on, Jake. Right in the glove. Go, you. Let's go, Mike. Michael. Come on, Michael.
Go.
Let's have a DVD highlight right here, Mike. Come on.
Oh, Michael. Mike.
All right.
Michael, anywhere. Anywhere close. Got him.
Go, 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 go! Good pitch, Tommy.
Strike two.
Way to go, Tommy. Let's hear it, Heat.
David, just fall off the plate. All right. Hit the mitt, Tommy. Hit the mitt. All right. Be ready, Michael. Come on, Kevin. Oh, Kevin. Don't throw it. Don't throw it.
Right there.
Run it in. Look at him. Hold it, Dave. Hold it. Tagging.
Gun him down, David.
Got a big target down there, Dave. Nothing. Nothing. Nothing.
Strike two.
Good pitch, Tommy. You in the glove, Tommy.
They're not rooting for you. Hit the target, Tommy. Tommy, hit the target.
Good pitch.
Good pitch, Tommy.
Nice pitch. Good throw, David. That's our hit.
Outfield, Keith. Johnny, be ready. The first for you, Jake.
Knock it down, Jake. Nice pitch.
Elbow. Strike two.
Yeah, take the chance. I'm gonna fall down. It's up to you, Tommy.
That's a cop-out, Mike. Make him hit your best pitch.
Elbow.
Got a good throw, Kevin. Yeah. Way to hold it, Dave.
Dave, that's huge, holding on to that ball, buddy.
Strike one.
Got him last time. Get him again, Tommy. Come on. Nothing but heat. That's it.
Elbow.
Watch your runner, Mike. Help David.
David, I got your runner. You concentrate on catching out first strike.
Squeeze it, Dave.
Foul.
Good.
There you got him. Good inning, guys. That was huge.
We need some extra runs.
Cover up the ball.
Scare her off. Elbow. Strike three.
Don't say that. Matt. I need to know.
On her toes in field.
If they have any, just ask them.
Nobody even I've never used it. I think they only got none.
Come on, Keith. Dig in, hit the ball. Check the number on the left fielder when he comes in.
Tommy.
Strikes, my ball. Here we go, infield, 2 strikes. Be ready.
What's it doing to you? Should be strikes.
Tommy, focus.
Go, Thomas.
Oh, report it.
Yeah! Yeah! Come on, guys. If it's in the infield, go first.
Like you don't know that already.
Call it, Joe!
Call it! Yeah! Oh my God.
Kevin, you're off the middle, Joe.
Goes back.
Same.
Come on, Tommy!
Hey, hey, hey.
Come on, Joe, eat him up. Good play. Nice job, Joe Herman. 2 outs, guys. 1 more batter. Let's get him.
Get him the first time.
Come on, guys!
Don't lose him, Tommy.
Go, Heat! Heat of the game. Yeah! Yeah!
Got a bye game, kind of.
No?
Come on,
You
Tom!
guys got a bye division game.
Yeah, it's all screwed up. Come on, finish him off, Tommy. Oh. Let's go, guys.
Jake, watch out.
One more strike!
You ready, Keith? Sorry.
Nice pitch. Line him up, boys.
Johnny Dillon, great catches in the outfield. You know, those were big. You know, if you let those fall, they were
Awesome.
They would have tore us up.
You know what? We didn't
Everybody
hit,
played
not
good.
everybody hit the ball. And you know what? Why strike zone? But you know what? We hung in. Not we don't hit. We don't get everybody. Don't get.
This guys was a combined team of the best players in that area, and you beat them. Okay, we played our game. We played all 11 players. They played 9, and we beat them. Okay, that's how good we are as a team. All right. Now it doesn't get any easier. Teresa will come out to knock us off Saturday.
Hey, and they'll probably throw this kid that they threw against them because they held him. So.
Okay, when another right-handed pitcher is going to throw hard. All right, everybody in the rest of this tournament is here to knock off the Heat. So every game we got to come ready to play. As hard as we did tonight. You guys didn't give up. Man, I can't ask more for that. All right.
Joe Herman, big plays at the end of the game.
Yeah, it was.
Brian helped.
Brian, awesome job. Everybody, top to bottom, played good.
Off the middle.
Yeah!
All right,
Good things happen when you do that.
What should we do now?
Sweets and eats.
B-dubs.
BW3s.
I think we gotta go to the pool. Clear.
Yeah.
That's okay. I mean, you guys can all go. I strongly encourage you. It's April's birthday. I got to go to the pool.
Bill.
Who's going to BW3s if we go?
Me. I'm going to BW3s. I'm going to.
I'm going.
I'm going.
Oh, that's a good thing. Nick, you can go over with them.
My dad